Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and now I am going to share with you how I fix some of our fiberglass mistakes here. This is because the last video guys, we did fiberglass during the nighttime, which is really not a good idea. So anyway, the first step to fix fiberglass mistakes is that we carve it out using our cutter. So all this we need to carve out guys. We just cut around the dry spots and the areas in the fiberglass wherein they're kind of folded, and you just simply need to cut it out. Some would like to inject some epoxy resin on the dried out fiberglass, but I tried it guys and it's not really that good of a solution. So this is how I fix the fiberglass mistakes that we made because of the last video. So after carving everything out, we need to sand, of course, the size of the affected areas here, but we don't really sand them up until the wood is exposed. We just sanding so that the sides will chip off. And of course you need to vacuum everything up. And once basically we are cleaning up everything guys, and after that we are patching everything with fresh fiber mat. So we are just cutting it. Make sure you have some overlap when you do this. And of course after that we just simply put another fresh epoxy resin on top guys. So yeah, mistakes are really unavoidable sometimes. So don't lose hope, because every problem has a solution. This is the solution that I made when I made some mistakes. So for the small bubbles guys, I just patch them up using Cabosil and epoxy resin. So that's it. Hope you like the short video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.